Good afternoon to everyone. Is my voice is audible? Okay. So today the first problem is, please write down, if cos of x plus iy is equal to r into e power I alpha prove that subdivision 1 cos 2x plus cos h2y equal to 2r square. Subdivision 2 y equal to 1 by 2 log of sin of x minus alpha divided by sin of x plus alpha. Okay. So now I am going to prove the subdivision 1. So let us take cos of x plus iy. It is given r into e power I alpha. So this implies cos of x minus I alpha. Cos of x minus iy. What is cos of x minus iy? Is equal to
cos theta minus I sin theta.
So
Cos alpha minus I sin alpha.
Cos of x plus iy equal to r into e power I alpha. So you can write cos of x minus iy is r into e power minus I alpha. Okay. So directly you can replace I by minus I. So now multiply these two. So we solved a similar type of problem, I think 2 days before. If you know, you can tell what is the problem. Exactly, if you find out the problem, you can tell. I am multiplying the left hand side. Similarly, I am multiplying the right hand side. R square into what? R square into e power I alpha into e power minus I alpha. That is 1. Okay, I'll write here. And multiply both sides by 2. So 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B is cos of, this is A, this is B, cos of A plus B. If you add these two, you'll get 2x plus cos of A minus B. What is cos of A minus B? Cos 2iy. It is equal to 2 into r square. So e power I alpha and the e power minus alpha gets cancelled. Finally, you'll get cos 2x plus cos 2iy is cos h2y equal to 2r square. Whether you found out the problem, we solved similar type of problems 2 days
Yes,
before.
sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please tell.
E power z is equal to sin u plus iv, sir.
Yeah, yes, that yeah, you are right, Purnachandrava.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more problem also we solved, similar type of problem. I think 2 days before we solved this similar type of problem. Please look at that problem because you need to correlate like this, then only you can easily remember. Okay, otherwise I will tell. If cos of x plus iy equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then prove that cos 2x plus cos h2y equal to 2. Is it correct? Whether we solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think we are using the same idea. Is it correct? Cos of x plus iy equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, and then cos of x minus iy is what? Cos theta minus I sin theta, and then we multiply both the equation and multiply by 2 and simplify. Finally, we got cos 2x plus cos h2y equal to 2. Okay. So here, the only difference is both the problem, you have r extra in the right hand side. That's all. Okay, wow. So here also you have what? Cos of x plus iy. The right hand side is what? E power I alpha. E power I alpha is what? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Instead of theta, here you have alpha, and the extra you have r. So that is the only difference. Okay. So now I am going to do subdivision 2. Subdivision 2 is I need to prove y equal to 1 by 2 log of sine of x minus alpha divided by sine of x plus alpha. So this log is the indicator. Okay, wow. So this indicates what? We need to write the final answer in terms of what? And also half. Anybody?
Sir, tan inverse of, sir.
Yes, tan inverse, tan h inverse of x. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Money. Yes, correct. So those who are regularly reading my notes, they are regularly working on the problem, easily understand what I am telling. Okay, so tan h inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So last class I proved this result. So here also I have 1 by 2 log of, this is not in the form of 1 plus x or 1 minus x. Okay, but anyway, this is what? This is of the form sine of a minus b. Sine of a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is what? Sine of a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. So we will do by step method. But anyway, we found out we need to convert in terms of tan h inverse of x. Okay. So now, what is subdivision 2? Okay, this is okay. What is given here? Cos of x plus iy equal to r into e power I alpha. So given cos of x plus iy equal to r into e power I alpha. So now, so real and imaginary, but expand cos of a plus b, cos a, cos b, minus sin a, sin b. Okay, so this is equal to r into e power I alpha. R into e power I alpha is what? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay, so now this is the left hand side is cos x cos Iy is what? Cos Hy minus sin x. Sin Iy is I sin Hy equal to R into cos alpha plus I into R into sin alpha. So now equating the real and imaginary parts. So you have cos x into cos Hy. That is the real part. If I equate, this is equal to R into cos alpha. If you equate the imaginary part, minus sin x into sin Hy. Okay, is equal to R into sin alpha. Okay, so now, okay, so now we have these two equations. Now again go here. So here the final answer you have x, y, alpha. But here x, y, r and alpha. But here there is no r. So this implies I need to eliminate r. So that is the hint. 1, 2. Either I don't need this r. Either you can divide 1 by 2 or you can divide 2 by 1. So that is up to you. I am I am dividing 2 by 1. So this implies what is 2 by 1 minus sin alpha, minus sin x into sin Hy divided by 1 cos x into cos Hy equal to R into sin alpha divided by R into cos alpha. So now the left hand side is what? Left hand side is minus tan x minus tan x into tan Hy R gets cancelled. So here sin by cos tan alpha. Okay, already we discussed we have y and here have half log. So then you need to keep tan Hy. Okay, left hand side. Remaining thing I will go to the right hand side. So tan Hy equal to minus tan alpha divided by tan x. Tan Hy equal to minus tan alpha divided by tan x. Okay. So now H is equal to not y equal to tan H inverse of the function minus tan alpha divided by tan x. Okay, this is of the form. This is x, tan H inverse of x. So now y equal to. So you should use the formula tan H inverse of x, 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. X is what? Minus tan alpha divided by tan x divided by 1 minus x. X is minus tan alpha divided by tan x. So if you want to write, you can write. Here I am using the formula tan H inverse of x is equal to half log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Okay. So in the next step, I am going to write this is equal. I am going to take tan x is here and the numerator tan x I am going to LCM. Similarly, in the denominator I will take tan x is LCM. After taking tan x LCM, we can cancel tan x. So please check it. Y equal to half log, what is the numerator? Tan x minus tan alpha divided by tan x plus tan alpha. Now write tan x is sine by cos everywhere, the numerator and the denominator. So sine by cos, sin x by cos x minus sin alpha divided by cos alpha. Okay. Similarly, in the denominator, you can write tan x is sine by cos plus sin alpha divided by cos alpha. So, and then half log okay. Now here I'm going to take LCM cos x into cos alpha in the numerator. Similarly, the denominator cos x into cos alpha. And then you can cancel cos x into cos alpha, both numerator and denominator. You'll get sin x into cos alpha minus cos x into sin alpha. Divided by sin x into cos alpha plus cos x into sin alpha. So the numerator is in the form of sin of x minus alpha or sin of a minus b. The denominator is sin of a plus b. Then you will get the final answer. So y equal to 1/2 log of sin of x minus alpha divided by sin of x plus alpha. So we proved second subdivision also. Okay. Now the next problem. If u equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, prove that tan h u by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2 and conversely. Okay, so that means first you should understand the question. So if u is equal to log of tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is given. Okay, so you need to prove tan h u by 2 equal to tan u by 2. Okay, and then conversely means you should assume tan h u by 2 equal to tan theta by 2, and then you should prove u is equal to log tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So first I will assume what is given. Given u is equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So this is given. So to prove tan h u by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. Okay. So now, so I'm okay. I will write in the next page the same equation. U equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is given. So now I am going to divide by both sides 2. U by 2 equal to 1 by 2 log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So you can also divide by 2 later. Okay. Okay, now I'll do it here. So now this is equal to 1 by 2 log tan of A plus B formula. What is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus, okay, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, so now this is equal to 1 by 2 log tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1 tan theta by 2. Okay. Now, actually, this is of the form 1 by 2 log 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So this is equal to what?
Tan
tan
h
inverse of tan
inverse
theta by
tan
2.
theta by 2.
Yes, correct, Uddhavan and Kavimani. Tan h inverse of tan theta by 2. Tan h inverse of tan theta by 2. So what the left hand side is what? U by 2. The left hand side is U by 2. I will write. So from this tan h U by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. Tan h U by 2 equal to, okay, you can see tan h U by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. Okay. So I think I proved the first part. Converse part. So the converse part you should assume, or you can write given tan h U by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. So you need to prove, actually you need to prove U equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Prove that U equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay. So from this, I am going to write, okay, first I will write tan h U by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. Okay, I need only U, okay, so that's why I can keep U by 2 here. So tan h inverse of tan theta by 2, U by 2 equal to tan h inverse of tan theta by 2. So now apply the formula for tan h inverse of x. Tan h inverse of x is what? 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. It is x is tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus x. Okay. Now I need actually, I should convert in terms of tan of a plus b. So tan of a plus b is what? Tan pi by 4. Okay. I can write 1 is pi by 4 plus tan pi, theta by 2. Okay. And again divided by 1 minus that is tan pi by 4. Okay. Sorry, this is 1. So tan a plus tan b. Okay, tan a is tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan b is tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan a, that is tan pi by 4. So here actually you can write 1 into tan theta by 2. Okay, instead of that 1 you can write tan pi by 4. So I will write here this is equal to 1 by 2 log the numerator. I will write instead of 1 tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2. The denominator 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1 into tan theta by 2. Okay. So now this is actually tan of a plus b formula. So what is the left hand side? U by 2 equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 log, yes, log tan of a plus b. What is a? Pi by 4
plus theta by 2.
Yeah, plus theta by 2. So yes, thank you. So u equal to what? Finally, you can cancel this 2 and 2. U equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So this is the final answer. Actually, we need this one. Okay. Third problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, on Saturday you gave us some few homework problems, no, sir.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Can you work out the third and second and third one around, sir? We tried it and we were not quite able to do it.
Second and third problem. Yeah, okay. But okay, I will give the idea. Okay, again. Okay, you'll try. Okay, otherwise I will do it again. Okay. So for the second problem, okay, sign first I will finish it some of the problems and then I'll come to the homework problems. So anybody got the answer? First of all, I will ask to the students. Anybody tried or anybody got the answer for at least one of the problem? Okay. So otherwise, I will do second problem. Okay. What about the first problem? Whether you got the answer? The one sine of theta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First one got it, sir.
Sine of theta plus I phi equal to tan alpha plus I secant alpha equal to cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta into cos h 2 phi equal to 3. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. How many? Please tell.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. So first I will finish this third problem and then I will come to the practice problem. Okay. I will solve one other problem. For the other problem, you need to try. And one more thing. Okay. It's not only for Uddhavan, for everyone. So Okay, I am ready to solve all the problems. Okay, va? So, but if I solve more problem, uh, then okay, okay, you need to try more. You also need to try more. Okay, the reason is why I'm telling. Suppose if I solve the problem, okay, you can learn the method. After 2 days, after 3 days, you may forgot the idea. Okay, so once you tried, uh, uh, okay, spend some time, and if you got the answer, okay, independently or discussing with your friends, then you never forget those methods. So try this one in your life, not only in mathematics, in all the subjects, and also uh, in your life. Okay, so the reason is, if I give the idea, okay, so that time you got the answer, and also you know the method. After again, okay, before the examination, you forgot the idea. In the examination, you cannot reproduce. So once you tried and you failed, and then if you got the answer, then only you know that uh, uh, the idea, and you never forget those idea. Even if you forget the idea, you can find out, because you only solve that problem independently. Okay. So this is not an advice, okay? Wa? So don't take his advice. It's a okay. So now I'll go to the third problem. If cos HU is equal to secant theta, prove that U is equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, and conversely. Solution. Okay. So here, what is given? Cos HU equal to secant theta. So this is given. Now I need a U. Okay, so I need U. So that's why I'll write U equal to cos H inverse of secant theta. Okay. So what is cos H inverse of X? Please refer your previous class notes and then tell.
The log of x plus root of x square minus 1.
Yeah, log of x plus root of x square minus,
1.
yeah, x square minus 1. Yes. Okay. So this is, now I am going to, instead of x, you have secant theta. So U equal to cos H inverse of, sorry, okay, I can write directly. There is no need to write again. Log of x is a secant theta plus root of secant square theta minus 1. Okay. So now this is equal to log secant theta So plus root, this is actually what? Root of secant square theta minus 1 is what? Root
Square
of,
theta.
yeah, tan square theta. So this is equal to log secant theta plus root of tan square theta is tan theta. So now I am going to write in terms of sine and cos. This is log secant theta is 1 by cos theta. This is a sine by cos theta. So that's why I'll write 1 plus sine theta divided by cos theta. Directly I am writing here. Okay. Now, okay. Now look at the final answer. Log of tan pi by. So this is of the form tan of a plus b. Okay, tan of a plus b. So that's why I will write sine theta and cos theta in terms of tan. So this is equal to log 1 plus sine theta is what? 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 divided by cos theta. Cos theta is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Okay, the numerator take the LCM 1 plus tan square theta by 2. If you take LCM and then you can cancel 1 plus tan square theta by 2 and then 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So that is equal to log please tell after taking LCM what you got 1
1 plus tan square
1 plus
theta by 2
yeah 1 plus tan square theta by 2
plus 2 tan theta by 2
yeah plus 2 tan theta by 2.
by 1 minus tan square theta
Okay,
by 2
thank you Purnachandra. 1 minus tan square
theta by 2.
theta by 2. Yes, I think yes, correct. So yeah, so 1 plus tan square theta by 2 1 plus tan square theta by 2 gets cancelled. Okay, so the
Sir, can we
numerator
write? Sir, can we write it as 1 plus tan theta by 2 the whole square by 1 plus tan theta by 2 into 1 minus tan theta by 2?
yes, correct, you are correct. Okay, I will do in the next step of the one. You are right. Okay, okay, that is the next step. Yes, you are correct. So log 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square, okay, divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2 into 1 minus tan theta by 2. Okay, so and then you can cancel 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2. Okay, so I up to this I got it. So I don't know what I need to next. Okay, now look at what I need to prove. Okay, so u equal to log pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2. So tan pi by 4, I need to write here instead of 1 tan pi by 4. So now look, log instead of 1, I'm going to write tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus here also 1 into tan theta by 2. So that's why I'll write tan pi by 4 tan theta by 2. Okay. So this is equal to log, this is a tan of A plus B formula, tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So this is actually what is the left hand side, u. So I proved the first part. So I need to prove the converse part now. Converse part, what is given the converse part? U equal to log tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So this is given. You need to prove to prove cos h u equal to secant theta. Okay. So consider this one. Okay, I'll write in the next page. Consider u equal to log tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay. Now, okay, what I need, cos h equal to secant theta. Okay, so that's why first I am going to write e power u, because cos h u you can write e power u plus e power minus u by 2. So now I am going to first find e power u, and then I am going to find e power minus u, and then I am going to add e power u plus e power minus u, and then divide by 2, and then I am going to prove that is equal to secant theta. So that is my idea. So you can also try some other idea also if you know. So e power u equal to tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So now this is the form tan of A plus B, tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So this is equal to e power u equal to 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus, this is also 1, tan theta by 2. This is e power e. So similarly, e power minus u, I am going to write directly 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. One minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. So now we know that since cos h u equal to e power u plus e power minus u divided by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into e power u is what? 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta by 2 plus e power minus u is 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. So which is equal to half into I'm taking LCM, that is 1, if I take 1 minus tan theta by 2 into 1 plus tan theta by 2, you'll get 1 square minus tan square theta by 2 and then cross multiply, you get 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole square. Okay, so here also, here the 2ab term plus 2ab term minus 2ab term gets cancelled. A square is 1. 1. Here also a square is 1. B square is tan square theta by 2. Here also plus tan square theta by 2. You have 2 times 1, 2 times tan theta by 2.
2 plus
2ab
2 tan square theta by 2. 2 plus, sir. 2
yeah,
plus
2,
2 tan.
yes, correct. Yeah. So I took 2 commonly. So 1 by 2. So I took 2 commonly. Directly I will write what? 1 plus tan square theta by 2 divided by the same denominator 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Okay. So now you can actually, what is this? 2 2 gets cancelled. What is this? Anyone?
Sir, tan of pi by 4 plus tan theta by 2.
Kavimani, we need what? We need to prove cos HU equal to secant theta. Is it correct? Left hand side is what? Cos HU. Okay, you can see here. I need to prove this is what? Secant theta. Okay, so that means I need to prove this is secant theta means, so this should be what? 1 by cos theta. So please check what is the cos theta in terms of tan theta formula. 1 minus
1 minus tan square theta by
1 minus tan square theta by 2.
plus 1 plus
1 plus tan
tan square
square
theta by 2.
is correct, Purna Chandran. So this is actually, so, but here have a plus in the numerator, minus in the denominator. That's why this is 1 by cos theta. But this is equal to secant theta. So that's all. Proof is over. So, okay, we should know, including me, I am telling you, we should know all the trigonometric formulas and all the hyperbolic results. So these are the basics. Okay, va? So you may ask, sir, if I know everything, okay, all the formulas. Okay, if you know everything, you should know where we should use the formulas correctly. Okay, so that is also you should know. Okay, you have so many formulas. Okay, you should know correctly, you should use in this the correct place. So that also you should know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Cos HU equal to secant theta. Okay, so now I think Uddhavan asked us a problem. So okay, so I will do it, that one. I think I solved both converse part also. Yeah, converse part also. I think I done it. No, whether I done it or not. Yeah. So please tell the problem, the one. I will write the problem and then I will do it.
If
Please write. If
tan of theta plus I phi,
no, the other problem. One more problem.
sin h of
Sin h of
theta plus I phi
theta plus I phi
is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha.
cos alpha plus I sin alpha.
Prove that
Prove that
sin h power 4 theta
Sine h power 4 theta, okay,
is equal to cos square alpha
equal to cos square alpha, okay,
is equal to cos power 4 phi.
4 phi, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dhawan. Okay. So the idea is, first I am going to assume these two, prove these two are equal. Okay, and then assume this, I am going to prove these two are equal. So this is the idea. So first you should, uh, initially you don't know, so how to do it, okay, so I agree, okay, but by practice only it is coming. Okay. So now, what you know, okay, so you know that sine h theta equal to, sorry, first write sine I theta. Sine I theta equal to, okay, I sine h theta. So, okay. So, but here I have sine h theta. So, sine h theta equal to 1 by I sine I theta. So, this is the basic idea. So, once if you know this, then you can proceed instead of what is given. Okay, what is given? Sine h theta plus I phi equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. So now sin h theta equal to 1 by I. Yeah. So this is 1 by I into sin I. Instead of theta, you have theta plus I phi. The right hand side is same, cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay. So now 1 by I equal to minus I. Okay, 1 by I is minus I. This one you can write. Okay, first it should write the sine I theta minus I square minus pi, that is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay, so now this is equal to minus I into sine of A minus B formula. Sine A cos B minus cos A into sine B. Okay, so this is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay. So now this is minus I sin I theta into cos pi. Okay, just multiply by minus I. Okay, here minus of minus plus I into cos. Okay, I think even this step also you can write what? Sin I theta. Okay, minus I into, so first write sin I theta is what? I sin h theta. Okay, and then cos phi minus cos I theta is what? Cos h theta. Okay, into sin phi is equal to right hand side is what? Cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay. So now multiply by this minus I. So if you multiply by minus I square minus minus of minus plus sin h theta sin h theta into cos phi. Yes, cos phi is equal to Okay, sorry, not equal to, sorry, plus I into cos h theta into sin phi, which is equal to right hand side is cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay. So again, I want to tell one more thing. So I think the basic idea is compare the real and the imaginary part. So most of the problems, okay, from the given statement, you should write the left hand side is a real part plus imaginary part, and also right hand side real part plus imaginary part, and equate the real part and equate the imaginary part, and then depending upon the requirement you should proceed. So this is the algorithm, okay, or this is the procedure for most of the problems. In some of the problems, for example, I think today's first problem. What is the today's first problem? Yeah, here in this problem, I done it what? I'm here. I'm not done it writing the real part, imaginary part. So cos of x plus iy, and then write I will what? Cos of x minus i. Okay, for to prove this. But for to prove the second part, I write the real part and imaginary part, and then similarly I write the real part, imaginary part. So most of the problems, this is the common techniques. So if you keep this is in your mind, you can try any problem. Okay. So now, what is if you compare the real and the imaginary part? Sin h theta into cos phi equal to cos alpha. Okay. And similarly, one more thing, you have what? If you compare the imaginary part, cos h theta into sin phi equal to sin alpha. Okay. So now, okay, you have theta pi alpha. Look at the first two. So theta and the alpha. In the first two, I don't have phi. So write phi in terms of remaining two. So from this, we have cos phi equal to what? Cos alpha divided by sin h phi theta, sin h theta. The sin h theta. Okay. From this, I have similarly cos sin phi equal to sin alpha divided by cos h theta. Okay. So now I need to eliminate phi. So use this is 1 or 2. Just 1 square plus 2 square implies you'll get cos square phi plus sin square phi. Okay, so this is equal to 1. You know that. Okay, but this is equal to cos square alpha divided by sin h square theta plus sin square alpha divided by cos h square phi, cos h square theta. But this is equal to next step. I will write 1 equal to if you take LCM, the numerator will have what? Cos square alpha plus cos h square theta. So please tell, I will write in the next page. Cos square alpha into
cos h square theta
h square theta. Okay, thank you, Purnachandra. Plus
plus sin square alpha into
sin square alpha into,
sin h square theta
yeah, sin, just cross multiply. Yeah, sin h square theta. Yes.
by
Yeah, by,
sin h square theta into cos h square theta.
yeah, sin h square theta into cos h square theta. Yes, correct. Okay. So now cross multiply. Okay, wow. So cos square alpha, I will write cos square alpha into cos h square theta plus sin square alpha into sin h square theta equal to sin h square theta into cos h square theta. Okay, so now we have everything. Okay, now again look at here have sin h power 4 cos square alpha. Okay, sin h and cos square alpha. So remaining I think I need to convert. So I don't disturb cos square alpha because I have in the final answer cos square alpha. Okay, but I don't have cos h square theta in the final answer. So I need to convert. How to convert? What is cos h square theta?
Sir, cos h2 theta.
Okay, actually here everything is in the powers. Okay, so I don't have multiples. So you should tell in terms of powers. So that's why I told that you know all the formulas, but you should know which formula you should use in which place.
Sir, 1 plus sin
1 plus sin
h
square
square theta.
sin h square theta, sir.
1 plus,
Sin h square theta.
yeah. So actually, you know that cos h square theta minus sin h square theta equal to 1. But if I am asking what is cos h square theta, so you need some time to, okay. So immediately you can't tell, okay. So you need to practice. So practice, then only if you use formulas, then only you can remember. Okay, I know that time exceeds 1 o'clock, okay, but I will finish here. Now, what about sin square alpha? We should keep or we should convert? Uddhavan or anyone?
We should convert, sir.
We should convert,
Convert.
because, yeah, because I don't have sin square alpha in the final answer. Yes. So 1 minus cos square alpha. What about sin h square theta? Then we need to keep or we should keep, yeah. So here similarly sin h square, sin h square theta, I should keep. What about again cos h square theta? I will write what? 1 plus sin h square theta. So if you multiply these two, cos square alpha plus cos square alpha into sin h square theta, okay, plus sin h square theta, okay, minus cos square alpha into sin h square theta. Okay, this is equal to sin h square theta plus sin h power 4 theta. Okay, now I think you can cancel these two. Okay, and then I can cancel. You can cancel these two, and then you can cancel these two. So remaining is what? Cos square alpha equal to what?
Sin h power 4 theta.
Yeah, sine h power 4 theta. Okay, I think I call this is 1. So I think I proved these two. So you can try to prove second these two. Okay, otherwise you can tell the next class I will do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, okay. I don't want to take your time. Okay. First I will close the recording and I want to tell one more thing. Okay. So this is one of the